First rates on your screen. It's a flat start to the day. 6,000 exactly for Nifty spot. 6,001. Nifty is just meandering in and around that psychological mark of 6,000. For the Sensex, the first rates are, and on your screen, 23 points down for the Sensex. Nifty is down by about 11 points. Sensex is down by about 30 points. The BSE mid-cap index is off to a decent start. It's up by 10 points, and the small cap index flat. It's up by about 13 points. That's the big picture for you. What about individual stocks? State Bank of India 2459. State Bank of India yesterday touched a new 52-week high. Moving on from State Bank of India to Cane India. Cane India yesterday was one of the biggest gainer on the Sensex. On your screen, 329 rupees for Cane India. Cane India has got some important approvals in last 15 days, and I guess markets have still not capitalized, or they still have not reacted to that news. Bajaj Auto 2214. Last 4 or 5 weeks have been quite rewarding for Bajaj Auto. It's been Bajaj Auto in quick time has appreciated from levels of 2000 to about 2200. What about ICICI Bank? Yesterday CLSA has released a note where they are making a case that 2013 could be a good year for ICICI Bank. 11674 for ICICI Bank. Clearly today ICICI Bank is moving in line with markets. Before the bell, we told you a story on Suzlon. On your screen, Suzlon is about 1.5% even though market conditions are slightly slow and slightly volatile.
Lots of other stocks as well in focus. We've just talked about Zodiac Clothing, wherein Nimesh Shah and Akash Pansali have acquired a 12.6% stake in the company. Well, it's heading towards another upper circuit. 264 is where the stock is, a good 17% uptick coming in. Couple of small cap stocks as well, and Hindustan Door Oliver has bagged 2 orders worth about 277 crore rupees from GSFC. So that stock has started off on a good note, 3% uptick coming in, and still notching up higher. Deepak Fertilizers and the workers at their Maharashtra plant are on strike from Jan 3rd over disciplinary actions and wage issues. So perhaps, well, the stock is actually holding up in trade, very unlike the news flow on the stock. ONGC, meantime, they paid an interim dividend of about 2,961 crore rupees to the government for FY13. Watch out for this one as well. And also, it seems like some media reports are indicating that ONGC should now accept the Rangarajan panel's recommendation on gas pricing, considering they seem to be driving away investors. Watch out for DLF as well, because there is news on this one too, now that the CCI has modified the apartment buyers agreement in the DLF case. So the stock is down about 2%. Okay.